You can prevent and clear toilet clogs using eco-friendly methods that protect pipes and the environment. Start by using enzyme-based drain cleaners as a regular maintenance step. These products use bacteria and enzymes to break down organic matter gently, so pour the recommended amount into the bowl at night and let it sit for several hours or overnight before flushing. For immediate clogs, try a flange plunger with firm, steady strokes rather than aggressive thrusts to avoid damaging seals. Position the plunger to fully cover the drain and maintain the seal while pumping slowly. A plumbing snake or drain auger is safe when used correctly for deeper blockages. Feed the snake gently until you feel resistance. Rotate it clockwise to hook debris, then withdraw slowly while keeping a steady hand. Avoid chemical drain openers because they can corrode pipes and kill beneficial bacteria in septic systems. If you must use a non-enzymatic product, follow label instructions precisely and ventilate the bathroom. Preventive habits matter. Instruct household members to only flush human waste and toilet paper, and provide a small covered waste bin for hygiene products, wipes, and other non-biodegradable items. For routine maintenance, run a bucket of warm water through the bowl weekly to move solids along and use a toilet brush to loosen residue in the trap. 3 common mistakes are relying on harsh chemical cleaners, flushing non-biodegradable items, and improper plunging technique. Using strong chemical drain openers can eat away at pipe joints and harm septic biology, so switch to enzyme-based products and reserve chemicals as a last resort. Flushing wipes, paper towels, feminine hygiene products, or cotton swabs often causes clogs that require disassembly or a professional visit, so keep a visible trash container and label it if needed. Plunging too aggressively or with the wrong tool can push blockages deeper or damage the wax ring. So use a flange plunger, form a strong seal, and pump slowly until water clears. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical, home-focused advice like these eco-friendly plumbing tips. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members exchange experiences, ask questions, and recommend local pros so contractors can find work and homeowners can learn from real projects.